Good morning, everybody. Today, I'm in front of you in your math class. Today, new chapter we start, chapter 4, simple equation. Today we will discuss what is equation and how we solve it. Definition says an equation is a condition on variable such that two expressions in the variable should have equal value. Equation is a condition on variable. Equation is condition on variable such that two expression means any equation has two sides, left hand side and right hand side, and both are separate by equal sign. Here we see that it is equation and it is also an equation. Both are separate to each other by equal sign, and the value of left hand side is equal to value of right hand side. X is variable and phi is constant. We put a value of x in both sides. We see that when the result be equal in both sides, then we say that both are correct equation. We put the value, if x is equal to 15, we take a number, we take the value of x 15, therefore LHS 4x plus 5 is equal to 4 into 15 plus 5, 60 plus 5, 65. RHS 6x minus 25, 6 into 15, value of x is equal to 15 minus 25 is equal to 90 minus 25 is equal to 65. Here LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, given equation is a correct equation and it is equation for any expression. Similarly, you will solve the both side given the value of a variable, same value, and now you will find the answer. Now exercise will be start. Exercise 4.1. Complete the last column of the table. Serious first. Question first equation. Value satisfied or not? Yes, no. Serial 1. X plus 3 is equal to 0. X plus 3 is equal to 0. Value x is equal to 3. X plus 3 is equal to 0. X plus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. Similarly, m by 3, m by 3 is equal to 2, value m is equal to 6. Now listen and look. X plus 3 is equal to 0. In this equation, value of x is 3 given. This value satisfies the equation or not? When you put the value of 3 in given equation, if the both sides equal, then you say that the value of x is satisfied the given equation or not. X plus 3 means value of x is equal to 3. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. And we see that here the value of RHS is 0. But the value of LHS comes as 6. 6 not equal 0. Therefore, we say that x is equal to 3 not satisfied the given equation. So you write equation is not satisfied or no. Similarly, you put the value of x in equation, and if the RHS is equal to LHS, then you say yes. And when RHS and LHS not equal, then you say no. You solve this. X plus 3, value of x is equal to 0. 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. LHS is equal to 3. RHS is equal to 0. 3 not equal 0. Therefore, equation not satisfied. No. Here you will write it. Similarly, you will done the next question. And question 11. M by 3 is equal to 2. M is equal to 6. Value of M 6 by 3. Here LHS 2. RHS also 2. Both are equal. Therefore, the value of x 6 is satisfied the equation. Yes. You will write only yes or no in the given places. But first you will solve. Then you will write the yes or no. Now question 2. Check where the value given in bracket is a solution to the given equation or not. Same question. N plus 5 is equal to 9. 19 is equal to 19. N is equal to 1. It is the first question. And similarly, F 4p minus 3 is equal to 13. P is equal to 0. Question asked n plus 5 is equal to 19 and the value of n is equal to 1. You will give the answer. The value given n is equal to 1 in bracket is solution to given equation or not. When n is equal to 1, LHS is equal to n plus 5 is equal to 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. RHS is equal to 19. Here we see that LHS 6, RHS 19. Here Therefore, n is equal to 1 not satisfied the equation, or you can write it x is equal to 1 not solution. Both are correct, not satisfied or not solution of equation. Similarly, you will done the next question. 4p minus 3 is equal to 13, p is equal to 0. LHS 4p minus 3, 4 into the value of p is equal to 0 minus 3. 0 minus 3 is equal to 3 minus 3. Here we see that it is not satisfied the RHS, but RHS is equal to 30. Therefore, LHS not equal RHS. Therefore, P is not P is equal to 0 is not solution of equation. Okay, you will put the value of given variable and then you will compare left hand side and RHS, right hand side. If both are equal, then you say that the value of bracket of variable is a solution of given equation. Similarly, question number 3. Question 3, 5p plus 2 is equal to 7. 5p plus 2 is equal to 7. What is the value of p? It is the simple. 5p is equal to 7 to transfer from the right hand side minus 2. 5p is equal to 5. Therefore, p is equal to 5 by 5 is equal to 1. Answer. You can solve this question another way also. Question 4. Question 4. Write equation for the following statements. Here a lot of statement be given and a question asked to write equation. The sum of number x and 4 is 9. Write statement. The sum of 4 and the sum of number x and 4. The sum of number x and 4 is 9. It is question and you are able to write the only equation. Sum of number x and 4. Sum of number x and 4 is equal to x plus 4. Result 9. Answer. It is the answer. Question is in form of a statement and your answer be in form of equation. X plus 4 is equal to 9. Similarly, you will done next 2 subtracted from y is 8. B 2 subtracted from y is 8. For it, you write 2 subtracted from y. Y minus 2 is equal to 8. Answer. Similarly, you will done the next question. Question 5. 3/4 of t is 15. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4th. 3/4. 3/4 of t is 5. Now the 15. 3/4 of t is 15. Now you will write the statement in equation. 3/4 of t means 3/4 into t is equal to 15. Means 3t by 4 is equal to 15. Answer. You can solve the rest question by self. Now question 5. Question 5. Write the following equation in statements form. Write the following equation in statement form. Statement forms. P plus 4 is equal to 15. P plus 4 is equal to 15. Here question B in form of equation, and you are able to write your answer in statement forms. Before it, in 4 class, in 4 question, you have seen that question was in equation, question was in statement, and your answer was in equation. But here question is in equation, form of equation, and your answer will be as a statement. Here we see that 4 is added, a number p is 15. 4 is added, a number p is 15. It is the answer. You can write it in another form. The sum of a number p and 4 is 15. You can write also the sum of number p or the sum of number p and 4 is 15. You can write the answer in another form, this form also. Similarly, you will write all the question in form of statement. M by 5 is equal to 3. M by 5 is equal to 3. It is the question, and it is in form of equation, and you will write the answer in form of statement. 1/5 number m is 3. Answer. Here we see that m by 5 is equal to 1 by 5 into m. You can write m by 5 as 1 by 5 into m. So 1 by 5th of a number n is equal to 3. It is your language and it is your answer. Similarly, you will find all the question and write in form of a statement. Now question 6. Question 6 says, set up an equation the following cases. Here, you will set up an equation. First, it is the last question for today. If Han says that he has 7 marbles, more than 5 times the marbles Pramit has. If Han has 37 marbles, take m be the number of Pramit marbles. Let number of Pramit's marble is equal to marbles is equal to m. Condition says that 5 times the 7 more than 5 times the marbles of Pramit. 5 times marble of Pramit is equal to 5 into m is equal to 5m. Therefore, number of marbles has Irfan seven more than is equal to 5m plus 7 is equal to 35. 5m plus 7 and thus equation is equal to 5m plus 7 is equal to 37. Answer. What is 37 saying? 37 says that Irfan has the number of marbles 37, and according to question, 37 is equal to 5 times the marble which Pramit has, and 7 added with means 7 more than the marble of 5 times of Pramit is equal to the number of marbles of Irfan, and the Irfan has only 37. Therefore, equation is 5m plus 7 is equal to 37. Now you will solve your next question. Lakshmi's father 49 years old, 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi. Let age of Lakshmi is equal to y. 3 times means 3y. 4 years older means 3y plus 4, and it is equal to 49. 3y plus 4 is equal to 49. Similarly, helping point be given in your book. Let the age is equal to y. In next, let lowest score is equal to L. Similarly, you will complete your exercise. Complete exercise 4.1. If you have any problem in any question, you will call me on your mobile anytime.